What's up, YouTube? We're back at it with another. It's a vlog. I don't know if y'all gonna like it, but fuck it. Look, we bought this car.
Tell me the history of it.
The history of this car is I found the second owner of this car. The first owner is 60 years old. He spent a lot of money into this car. From what I heard, from what I seen, from all the paperwork that they gave me.
Yeah.
Supposedly has a bill motor with all that stuff. A lot of stuff.
Nice.
But the second owner bought it for $18,000.
Yeah.
The third owner bought it for $20,000. This car has a lot of good modifications.
How many miles are on this thing?
40,000 miles.
40 original?
Original 40,000 miles. There you go.
40,657. Okay. And then the third owner?
Third owner, supposedly he bought it for 20,000. History on that was that, from what I didn't really understand what happened, is that it was on a tow truck.
Yeah.
And I think he dropped it or something like that. He claimed the insurance, and they were gonna give him 18,000, but at the end they gave him 16,000, and he kept the car.
Yeah.
He offered me.
So he got paid.
He got paid. So he offered it to me, and he was being nice enough to give it to me for free. But I was like,
wow.
I'll give you $1,000. So I bought the car for $1,000.
Nice.
And
it didn't come with these wheels, right?
No, those are my wheels.
Those are my wheels.
Those are my wheels. So it came with everything. But the wheels.
Okay.
It has carbon fiber hatch, carbon fiber hood. It has APS turbo kit, twin turbo.
Nice.
Stop take, big brake caliper rotors.
God! Wow!
Some coilovers. They're TN coilovers. Supposedly, come look at this. I never knew about this, but supposedly that this cable is connected to the coilover, is connected to all the way to the front, something like that, and it's adjustable through the inside.
What? Like his own controller?
The only thing that I'm sad about is that they really take care of the clear of the hatch and the hood, whatever.
Wow.
Got some big speakers.
Yeah.
It won't go in no more because it has this big ass amps in the back. Ooh. It has a custom bar for the seatbelt.
I like it. It's just kind of faded.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that, brother?
Oh, this is all suede.
Yeah.
The first owner, bro. The first owner really spent a lot of money into this.
And what are the plans for this one?
I'm planning to sell everything.
Damn.
Speakers, amps, hatch, everything.
Hi.
Okay.
Everything, to be honest.
Yeah.
The engine, everything. But I'm gonna keep the car.
Okay.
And I'm gonna build it.
Nice. This is gonna be the shop car?
This is gonna be the shop car.
For who?
Los Vecinos Garage and G-Tomb. We're gonna build this car.
Okay.
It's a DE right now.
Yeah.
But in the future, hopefully, if God lets us, we're gonna put an HR on it.
And it's a beautiful platform, so.
We're gonna put an HR on it with maybe either a single turbo or twin turbo.
Okay.
It's gonna take time, but hopefully
we'll get there.
We can get it done.
Okay. And this came with the car too? The carbon fiber?
This came with the car. That came with the car. All this intercooler, that came with the car.
Yeah.
The headlight. The only thing I don't like is that they fucked up that headlight because they sprayed some O'Reilly stuff on it. But it's still good. They gave me with some fans. Look at this. Some upgraded fans, upgraded radiator, all that stuff.
Car fully built.
How the paperwork is pistons, rods, everything. You can name. I'm gonna try to turn on right now because the guy said that maybe the head gaskets were blown.
Yeah.
He didn't say. I don't know if he said it was knocked or anything. I don't know. But
We're about to find out right now?
We're gonna find out. I'm gonna put everything back in
Today?
Today, because I gotta deal with all this harness. I don't know where it goes. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna turn it on with no belt though, because I don't have the belt. None of that.
¿Tú qué pensás? ¿Lo vamos a hacer hoy o qué?
Claro.
¿Se puede arrancar hoy? Nice.
So we got a lot of work to do.
We'll be back soon then.
Yes, sir.